everyone. Welcome to Daily Life in the Smokies and Smoky Mountain back roads here. Philip here with you. We're just driving around checking out some of the roads here. How snow covered they are. Let's see how much snowfall we got down here in downtown Knoxville. It's just going to be like a 3 or 4 minute video, so it won't be very long. Just trying to bring you some videos around the area with the snow packs. But don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn your notifications on, and please share the videos. I'm just trying to bring you videos from all over the area of Knoxville and the Smoky Mountains anyway. Pigeon Forge and Gatlinburg. As you can tell, a lot of these side roads just hasn't been touched at all. Sorry if it's a little bumpy, but this snow and ice is kind of bumpy as you're driving on it. But as you can see, these side roads are just snow covered. Little condos are building here, little skinny ones. But they're cozy looking inside though. Trailhead, South Knox Beer Market. We're driving along the Tennessee River here. F.C. Morrison Attorneys building there. But I do apologize for the bumping around. But as you can see, there's the river right over there from downtown. This will be about a 3-4 minute video. I'm just trying to bring a bunch of short little ones so I have a bunch of long ones. That way y'all can pick the ones y'all want to see and watch. But I appreciate if you guys can share them on your Facebook and social media accounts. Help us get some good views in for these snow covered days here in the Smoky Mountains. More of the river view over as we're driving. Yeah, we got about 8 to 10 inches in different areas of town here. Very, very bumpy. Got some nice apartments or condos here. Made it up to 30 degrees. Went from like 6 degrees this morning up to 30 now. There's about a minute left here. It's funny how people call you to their homes and stuff for service and stuff, and they won't even clean off the driveway or even the sidewalk for you. The last home I went to was nothing but ice all the way up the sidewalk and slipped 3 or 4 times. I'm just glad I didn't hit the ground. And then the homeowner standing there just laughing at you while you're slipping and sliding on his property. It's like, dude, you know that can turn into a lawsuit. You have people come to your home, people fall and get hurt. That's a lawsuit.
Turn left onto Island Home Boulevard.
Because a lot of times your medical insurance won't cover that if you fall on somebody else's property or somebody else's business or something. I'm like, well, you need to collect it under their homeowners. But we're right here, so thanks guys for watching again.
900 feet.
And
Destination is on your right.
be ready for the next video that comes along. God bless you guys and love y'all. Just like this guy right here called in. Well, there isn't nowhere to park and nowhere to walk, but come to the house and good luck getting here. Like, really?
The destination is on your right. 2128 Island Home Boulevard.
All right, we'll see you guys.